All my life, I've loved adventure. All my life, I've desired to live fully. All my life, I've purposed to dream big, to try those things that seem impossible. And when people try to tell me that I can't, my only response is, why not? Just because I was born with no arms or no legs doesn't mean I can't accomplish great things. I love life and everything it has to offer. I want to live it with energy and enthusiasm. It can be described with one simple word: Verve. There are many words that people have used to describe me: enthusiastic, animated, full of life. I'm in vigorous pursuit of God, my passions, my dreams, the place where I live and exist, the convergence of hope and possibility, the security of knowing that my future is not held hostage by my circumstance. The act of living out God's purpose and plan and seeing how it impacts others in such a dramatic and life-changing way, there is no better life for me or for anyone else who will live their life for Jesus Christ. Yes, verve is the right word. It is most descriptive and verbally animated. God's life in me and through me.